I booked a signature room at Westgate and was assigned a room on the 25th floor with a strip view. The signature rooms measure up at 400 square feet and have a Vegas chic motif in a dazzling Hollywood-inspired setting that comes adorned with some fabulous prints of the king, the blonde bombshell, and the greatest of all time,
Muhammad Ali.
The bed comes with a Simmons Beauty Rest Shadfield Recharge Signature mattress, and it was very comfy. The room also comes with a mini fridge for your own personal use. There was plenty of space inside, and it had its own thermostat control. There is a safe down here. At the window, there is a workspace with a granite countertop. It is a nice space to enjoy a private meal or just take in a view of Las Vegas and the Sphere. This room is located on the center of the 25th floor, just 5 floors below where Elvis Presley lived. Around the corner is the closet space, sink, and vanity area. In the closet, there is a set of backup bedding sealed in plastic and plenty of closet space. Inside the door is where you'll find the throne and a shower tub combo. There was plenty of hot water, and the tub was decent enough to take a good soak. And the old school shower head just rocked. Thanks for watching. You can show support for this content by hitting the super thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Tap one of these boxes for more Las Vegas content. Hit that center icon to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.